Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your gender and Facebook account. So let's get start the video. At first, open your Facebook account. Now you need to go to the menu bar. Click on it. Now simply scroll down and expand settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down. You can see an option Audience and Visibility. Under it, click on Profile Details. Then you can see the Basic Information Edit option. Click on it. Now under Gender option, you can select the one you prefer. Then scroll down and click on the Save button. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.